So more recently, one of my friends, he's an associate in banking, and he was trying to lateral into the VCN, and he was like asking me, okay, what did you do to prep? And one of the things was, and he went to U of I with me, and I was like, yeah, dude, you should just dig up your old models over here, just make sure that you still got it before you open to these things. Because one of the aspects of working in tech banking is that I really didn't work on like that many buyout transactions, you know? I did like one growth equity sell side. You're not really building out an LBO model there. I did some IPOs, some debt deals, but like another thing that happens at a bulge bracket bank is that you're like you have like product groups and coverage groups, and I was on the coverage end. So the product group, like the M&A team, would take the lead on like an M&A transaction model, or the sponsors team would take the lead on building out the sponsors model. So way of saying basically your skills decline a little bit over like 2 years in banking if you go into the coverage end, at least from a technical standpoint. You're obviously building out your understanding of the industry and whatnot, but the like your job comes more to like understanding the financial models that are output by the product teams, being able to speak to it because you are the ones handling the client facing end of it, but you're not really building it. So then when it comes to like a case interview where you have to build a model from scratch in like an hour or 30 minutes, like if like you'll be a little bit rusty after 2 years of banking. So it's like that's kind of the reason why I had to go and dig up these old materials and prep with them.
No, it makes sense. Like those skills are perishable, right? If you're not using them on a daily, weekly basis, they start to erode. And really cool to hear that you getting ready for that venture capital interview, that you investor interview you've been prepping and really working towards for years, right? Tapping back into the old PepsiCo model.